hell was that? Did you hear that? What was that, Max?
It wasn't me.
Okay, I know it wasn't you. It sounded like someone missed the ending note.
Right. And I play drums, so I know it wasn't me.
Yeah, but you are the band leader, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you should at least, as the band leader, know what went wrong.
Well, I know the sound was from a horn, so I know it wasn't Scott, the keyboard player. I know it wasn't Jimmy Vivino, our guitar player. I know it wasn't Mike, our bass player. And I know it wasn't me, Max Weinberg, the drummer.
All right, well, anyway, now we're getting somewhere. We're narrowing it down.
And, you know, Conan, I know the sound was from a true horn, not a woodwind instrument. So I know it didn't come from Jerry Vivino, our saxophonist. And I know it didn't come from me, Max Weinberg, the drummer.
Yeah, okay. Well, anyway, so that leaves either Mark Pender, the trumpet player. Yeah, that was great. Or La Bamba, the trombone player. Yeah, well, anyway, you both sound really good. That was terrific. I know you're both very honest people, so I'm just going to come right out and ask you, Mark, did you screw up?
Wasn't me.
And it wasn't me.
Okay, yeah, fine, Max. Well, then by process of elimination, that just leaves you, La Bamba.
Wasn't me.
Not me either.
Okay, Max, would you stop saying that? You're being so incredibly annoying, nobody thinks it was you to begin with.
They don't?
Of course not. I mean, you're the drummer. In order for you to have made that sound, you'd have had to do something really asinine like drum with a pair of bike horns. Let me see your drumsticks, Max. We'll take a break. We'll be right back. Dermot Mulroney's here. I'm sorry.